creative coordinator here at Bisque Imports, and we have a new project for you today. This is for Valentine's. We have our Carved Heart Valentine Vase. This is using some really cool Colorovia specialty glazes, and it's just something really cute. You know, you can put your loved one's initials or names on here. Just a really fun, cute project for Valentine's, and it's pretty simple. So here are the supplies that you're going to need to create this project. All right, so let's get started. All right, guys, so that's it. Voila! So this is like really easy for walk-in customers. Even could be a really cute workshop. great little home decor item. You can put some pretty flowers in here. Someone can give for a Valentine's gift, or it could be a fun date night project. So yeah, so don't forget to check out bisqueimports.com for a bunch of amazing products, and we'll see you next time.